Thanks for joining me today. Glad you are here. Assets. There are various assets that will help generate income such as cash flow. Types of assets: bonds, real estate, land, stocks. An asset is something containing economic value and/or future benefit. An asset can often generate cash flows in the future, such as a piece of machinery, a financial security, or a patent. Personal assets may include a house, car, investments, artwork, or home goods. For corporations, assets are listed on the balance sheet and netted against liabilities and equity. So, here's what you are probably thinking: how do I choose an asset and start earning? Well, you do that by creating a portfolio. You will learn more about portfolios in the future. Right now, focus on choosing an asset that you are confident and most interested in. Watch part 5 next to learn more about making money.